Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the advanced features. Now just click here to the screenshots and screen recorder section, and here you'll see the screen recording settings. Just to change the video quality on our device, we should click here on this video quality section and change. For example, now I got selected the high quality. We can switch it to the medium and to the low one, and by this way we can change the video quality in our screen recorder app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.